Hello everybody, this is PillarTrading.com, and in today's chart of the day we are going to be going over the big E-mini futures contract. That is the S&P 500 index futures, currently looking at a monthly chart, and we're trading 12, 20, 25. You can see up here in this right hand corner. Now, why are we looking at such a large time frame on the E-mini charts? Well, because we have just broken yearly highs up here at 12.18. That, you can see, has been our level. We've broken up above that. 12, 20, 25 is what we are currently trading, and if we go down to the daily chart, we can see exactly how this has happened, where we bounced from, and why we bounced from there. This is that level, 1175.50, was that level that we've been watching now for the past 2 weeks. That acted as initial resistance the first time, led back up into a short, and we saw action come back down again and test it once, twice, 3 times, 4 times we saw action at that level. And now finally yesterday and the day before, we got a short covering rally punching us right back up to most recent highs at 12.24.75. Now, looking at this picture and exactly how this came about, we had an extension off of 11.27 even up to most recent highs of these 12.24.75s. That gave us that initial support area. It has seen support after this large run up, people trying to get in on this market early before this thing runs without them. And what has happened is there have been shorts in this market from the 1200 level. In that 1200 level, we go down to the 15-minute chart, remembering that 1200 level as the shorting area. As soon as we broke above that, you can see it here. This is where these people were looking to get in short, institutional money in short at 1200. That sees initial resistance. We come down, again hit this huge support level, and this is where the battle played out between 1200 and between 1172.25. You can see we continue to test that level. Finally, it broke. We got short covering rally straight up into it without a pullback, came into a move, an extension move here that was bought into early, and from there it was straight up. So, what does that mean for today's trading? What does it mean for long-term trading going into the end of the week here? Well, the high up here at 12.23.50 on the 15-minute chart means that into the overnight session and into tomorrow's session, we can anticipate that we are going to see buyers at the next level. Next level for a pullback, if it comes down that far, is going to be 12.12.75. That's the level where short-term bulls are going to be looking to pick this market back up again. What we can say from here, if we go back to the daily chart and we look at this thing on a daily perspective, is we have already seen shorts from that 1200 area taken out of the market. Now we are going to have a further round of shorting from people looking to get in on double top, possibly, and those are going to be the people that fuel this next run up. These shorts at the double top, it's what's going to take us to our target at 12.45 even. So off of these support lows here at 1176, that area, the target for that move is 12.45, 12.46. The double top here, people that are going to get short, anticipate an initial bounce down, initial resistance as we see buyers drying up and people trying to short this thing and pick a top. But as soon as we break above that 11.24.75 area, anticipate a lot of stops, anticipate very fast short covering like we've had over the past 2 days. And again, we go down to that 15-minute chart, and if we see 12, 12 even, 12.50, anticipate a round of buying there. That's where the 15-minute trend will pick up. If it does not pick up at this level, we're going to have to wait for a short breakdown, again anticipating that over time we are going to see again another round of support and taking it up to that daily target, which is all the way up at 12.45.50, guys. So that is the plan on the ES. That right now is what the charts are telling us. So we're going to continue to play this uptrend until we get a sign that it has come to an end, which could be at this double top. Okay, right now we haven't pushed past that level. There could be a next wave of institutional shorts at that level, and the buying could dry up. But right now, on the 15-minute chart, the short-term trend is telling us that this is going to break down, which is going to lead to those shorts being forced to cover, forced to exit their positions, which will again create a fury of buying, leading us straight up into our target. So fairly self-explanatory on the play for the ES. If you guys have any questions or comments on this chart or any of the other ones that we do, please, again, stop by the website, leave us a comment, drop us an email. We try to get to those as soon as we can. So hopefully everyone has a good trading day and finishes out the week strong, and I will see you all in the next video.